Emma and the Rainbow Kite. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a little girl named Emma. Emma loved to play outside, especially on windy days when the sky was filled with fluffy clouds. One sunny afternoon, Emma's grandfather gave her a beautiful rainbow-colored kite. "Emma," Grandpa said, "this kite will bring you joy and adventure. Take it to the park and let it dance with the wind." Excited, Emma grabbed the kite and headed to the park. As she arrived, she noticed some other children playing with their toys. They looked like they were having so much fun. Emma unfolded the kite, and with Grandpa's help, she launched it into the sky. The colorful kite soared high, trailing behind a long tail that shimmered in the sunlight. Emma giggled with delight as the kite danced and twirled in the breeze. A curious boy named Jack approached Emma. "Wow, your kite is amazing! Can I help you fly it?" "Sure, Jack. Let's fly it together," Emma replied with a big smile. The two friends took turns holding the kite string, running and laughing as the rainbow-colored beauty soared above them. The other children joined in, and soon the park was filled with laughter and the vibrant colors of kites soaring high. As they played, Emma's kite dipped and swirled, creating a beautiful display in the sky. The children were mesmerized by the rainbow of colors, and even some adults stopped to admire the spectacle. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the park, Emma and her new friends gently guided their kites back to the ground. They sat on the grass, sharing stories and enjoying the sense of camaraderie. That evening, as Emma walked home with her colorful kite in hand, she felt grateful for the simple joy it had brought to her day. She couldn't wait to tell Grandpa all about the adventures she had shared with her new friends. From that day forward, Emma and her friends often gathered at the park to fly their kites, creating beautiful memories under the wide-open sky. The rainbow kite not only brought joy to Emma's life, but also became a symbol of friendship and shared happiness in their small town. And so, with a heart full of gratitude, Emma continued to explore the world, always accompanied by the vibrant colors of her beloved rainbow kite.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.